Hello, my name is Naftali Corona Flores. We are Team 7 and I will present of prediction about environmental issues. Mm, if there were variety in the secrets, I am polluting the planet, and if pollute if can affect environment, book is kept my rabbit to store it in proper container. It can help protect the, the environment. If we throw away wasted water, if the throw away wasted that can be recycled, we will pollute the planet to starting a major problem than that has consequences for us both. If we recycle the waste, we help the planet and in the help is something basic.
Acid rain can travel long distances from polluted areas to other countries. Canada, for example, is affected by the pollution of United States. I think that pollution will reach Mexico someday and make the acid rain more frequently. A solution will be to reduce our consumption of unnecessary products. Since we reduce our consumption, factories will reduce their production and by consequence they will reduce their pollution. Robert Angus discovered in 1853 that the cause of acid rain was the smoke generated by the British industries. But I think today a great polluter of the atmosphere is our vehicles, which run off fossil fuels. The solution for this will be use our vehicles less or promote electric vehicles.
Recyclable waste. This residues damage the planet for the same reasons as most pollutants, but to avoid if we can residues and give such as decorations or even tools. Extravagant consumption of glory is as the possibility of enormous damage the work they allow factories to produce more that is essential and the items that are not sold end up in rivers, ocean, causing pollution to increase. To solve is we must stop consumption. Irrational be only what is necessary.
If we throw away solid waste in 5 years, the land will be affected by pollution, and if the land is affected by pollution, there will be environmental problems such as climate change. If I don't throw away solid waste like plastic or paper, my surroundings will look cleaner. If I throw away solid waste, the soil will degrade, and if the soil is degraded, it will damage a large part of the flora that is in that place. But if it thrown solid waste where it was so recycled, what can be, I will protect the flora to have a pleasant space.
And arts, love and nature common language. That is addressing the political and social boards because education boys and girls account the board in love of nature willing to contribute to the factor on which our planet continues to society and display its extraordinary beauty. Turn tree into firewood, a decent can board for use, but it will no longer produce flowers and fruits. The environmental is where we admit, where we are hype. Neutral interesting, it is a the thing we all share. It is not reflection or ourselves, but a lens of what we can.
The Platon and waste of water. Generally, we always give a single use to the water, but if we put a pot when bathing, we can use the water that falls into the pot to water the plant. Food compost. Generally, food waste goes to the garbage, but if we use it as fertilizer, it is the best way to nourish the earth.